how to change country region in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can change country region in Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand that Instagram does not have a direct change country option like some other application. So your region is based on your phone settings, your phone's IP address and your SIM card. But here's how you can update it. So to update your region or country on Instagram, you could change your phone language and region settings. So if you're on your Android device, head over to settings, scroll down, head over to system, then tap on language as an import, and here tap on language. Then you could add your preferred language, and if you head over to your region, you could change your region from these options here. After that, all you have to do is restart your device and then the region will be updated in your Instagram account as well. Second option is to use a SIM card from the new country. If you have a SIM card from the country that you're switching to, you can insert it in your device and Instagram will detect your region from your mobile network as well. But if you have the business or the professional account, you could change your address. For that, you have to head over to your profile on your business account, then head over to edit profile, then go to contact option. There you could change your business address to the new country. So that's it. That's how the Instagram will start to reflect the new region, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.